Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is early in the morning right now, actually, and I got a box, and I'm really excited to open it, and I'm going to bring you guys along and show you what I got. It was really a process, actually, to get this box. I literally had to chase down the delivery guy in my flip-flops, but that's another story. But regardless, I have the package finally. I'm so excited to see what it is, and show you guys, too, what I got. And it's not animal related, but, I mean, in a sense, it kind of is. So, what do you say? Let's get to it.
My name is Nick Pulaski. Ever since I was young, I've had two passions, wildlife and filmmaking. My goal is to combine those two passions to make wildlife content. My passion for wildlife and my collection of exotic species is constantly growing. Come follow along as I pursue my goals of educating, inspiring, exploring, and conserving wildlife, all while having fun, seeing the beauty of our natural world.
Alright, so, as you can see, we have this big box right here. Kind of has some weight to it, and I'm really excited for this shipment. I actually missed the delivery guy yesterday, and I was determined not to miss him today. So, like I said, I literally had to run him down so he didn't miss me. And I'm really happy right now. I just want to open this up, so we're going to get to it. So, like I said before, this is not animal related. It's not an animal or anything like that. So, sorry to disappoint you guys. But it is something kind of along the lines and kind of related in a sense, and I'll go more in depth with that later. So, we're going to open the box and see what we got.
Alright, here we go. So far, you're probably like, what's all this? This is a bunch of film gear, actually, that I got in a bundle. There's a backpack, just a simple little small backpack. Nothing really large that I need right now, something compact is nice. Another smaller bag, SD card, some lens cleaner. Oh, the softbox. So it's a light. So it's not sponsored or anything like that. We have this. So this is my brand new baby, if you will. Honestly, I am so stoked, guys. I've been wanting this camera for a very long time. It's going to do a lot of great work. Going to use it a lot for my YouTube videos. I mean, heavily for that. That's basically what the majority of it will be. And then my iPhone's going to be a B cam. Yeah, this will just be my main camera for that, as well as filmmaking and stuff like that, and documentary work. It's going to be nice on the go. DSLRs are known for that. And this is the one that I felt was perfect for me for my price range. So I'm really excited about that. All right, so let us dive right into it. Really simple to open. Got some literature. Register my camera. And booyah, we got bubble wrap. Right off the bat, I must say, I really like how they pack things. So this will be the charger right here. This will be obviously the lens. Has some weight to it, but not too bad. What else we got? Got a strap. We have a battery. Go right there. Charge that up in a bit. And then we have where the magic happens. This will be hard with one. Yes, it will. We will use foot to help with hand. Thank you, foot. Thank you, hand. It's in like, it feels like one of those dryer cloths you put in the dryer with your clothes. There we go. There's the body. Definitely has some weight to it, and I'm no stranger in knowing that. A lot of reviews said that as well. And I've definitely used a couple of these in the past, and I mean, I like the weight to it. It also shows that it's durable, and it is like a weather sealed product as well, so that's a huge plus, especially with wildlife documentary work where the weather and you're being outside and it's unpredictable. So it can definitely take a punch. And you got the screen, which is a touch screen. So it'll be nice like that. And then you can actually flip said screen. This is very, very fun one-handed, I must say. There. So yeah, if I ever wanted to, hint, maybe go back to vlogs, or even just doing simple animal content on YouTube, I mean, I can just watch myself and see what the picture is while I'm shooting, and have no problems. That way I can shoot high quality footage while seeing what I'm doing. So it's going to be very convenient in that sense as well. But very exciting, honestly. And then you can just do this. And you can check it out from there. But yeah, really cool.
So there it is. This is my quick little unboxing video. Didn't want to go too in depth on everything like this because I don't know if it like reaches my kind of audience, but I mean, maybe in the future I'll go more in depth with all this stuff. I don't know if you guys like technology and filmmaking and all that stuff and photography. Let me know down in the comments if you do. But I'm really, really excited to get this camera. It's going to be a part of so many amazing projects that I have planned down in the future, in the near future, I must add. And we're just going to make some amazing stuff. And I'm so excited to bring you guys along with me and share this all with you guys as well. But thank you so much for watching the video today. If you could do me a couple things, if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it. As well as let me know if you guys like this unboxing video, and if you could share it with a friend, that would be great. That's looking for maybe a camera or something for photography or videography. That would be awesome too. But the overall goal, of course, is to make some awesome wildlife content, and I am so excited to bring you guys along with me on that. But regardless, thank you guys so much for watching the video today, and I will see you guys soon with this camera.